Since 1905, this company has been the leader in the world of rolling ladders. As an established staple of their industry, they offer a variety of products, all which envelope timeless heritage, sophistication, and enduring quality. As a new generation brings evolution and new technology, they remain the market leader. Continuing the tradition of quality crafted with integrity, each custom ladder is handcrafted with the utmost quality and highest level of craftsmanship. Join us in Jackson, Wisconsin as we meet Putnam Rolling Ladder, a division of Custom Service Hardware.
Putnam Rolling Ladder is a 119-year-old brand that manufactures the world's finest rolling ladders. We have 5 different styles, 10 different wood species, and 10 different hardware finishes. In fact, almost no 2 ladders are the same.
We have a biblical philosophy that really puts others first. It emulates servanthood. It's putting that customer before us.
Our customers tell us all the time that they have been dreaming of having a rolling ladder in their home. We are in the business of creating custom products specifically designed by our customers. Sure, it might be just a ladder to some folks, but every ladder is a dream fulfilled. And that's the attention to detail we put in every customer conversation and every product that leaves this building.
In 2017, the owner of Custom Service Hardware and I reached out to the ownership of Putnam, and they simply said to us, we're not ready. Sure enough, 3 years later, that was the fall of 2020, they called us back and said, are you interested?
A lot of us knew that Putnam had a 100-year history and knew that they had a lot of customers, but we went after it. We dug into 2 truckloads worth of parts. There were only a handful of us that got to work with Putnam in the beginning. We have the metal laying ladder. That's a ladder that really checks all of the boxes. It's affordable, it's dependable, and it's beautiful. We have the Quiet Glide ladder that takes a lot of the design features of the classic #1 and integrates all kinds of modern technology like pivoting upper assemblies that allow it to move around corners. And then finally there's the classic #1, and that's a ladder that's been around for 115 years. It's the ladder that started it all, and it's the ladder that stands at the heart of everything we do here.
It was a great experience from the beginning to the end, helped me through the color selections from the metal to the wood finishes, and helped me coordinate with my kitchen to get the best ladder. And it's great because now I can reach things in my kitchen.
Once everything is said and done, customer can know and have the confidence that this product in their kitchen, in their living room, in their walk-in closet is going to be a representation of them, and it's going to last a lifetime.
What makes Putnam Rolling Ladder one of the world's greatest is the people. It goes back to Samuel Putnam, who started it, Warren and his family, the Monsees family that carried it on, and Frank Rasmussen at Custom Service Hardware, and then all the people that are here now, the finishers, people that make the ladders, the people that put the ladders into homes. They're the people that make Putnam Rolling Ladder the world's greatest.